Hey y'all, I know I do look a mess right now. I just wanted to come and quickly show y'all how I'm doing my goddess locks. The hair brands that I'm using, I'm gonna start off first by telling y'all I use the free tress braid hair. As you're gonna see in a minute, you're gonna see me put it in. This is in the color 33. I use 4 different colors in my head. I will link all the colors that I use below in the description box. But this is the one I'm going to be showing you on this lock right here. So that's the braiding hair, and also to wrap the hair I use 2 different brands of Marley hair. This brand is the Marley, well, this brand is the Bonnie, and it says it's tangle free and flame retardant, and this is in the color F30 to match the hair that I just showed you. And then I also used this brand, which is Femi, and it says it's kinky twist braid, but it's Marley hair too. And this is in the color 30 because I also have 30 in my hair as well. And I think I said the first color that I just showed you was 30, but it's actually 33, the darkest color. So let me go on ahead and start. This is the hair. I've already separated it. So I hope y'all can see. I'm just going to start off by adding this to my hair. Start off with a normal braid. And I'm going to make it a little bit loose. Normally I would braid towards the back, but because I'm putting this on camera, I want y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. So I just added that. As you can see, it's rather loose because I'm going to wrap the hair around it. And I'm going to braid until I get to the end of my natural hair. I'm not going to braid this all the way down. That's one of the differences between this tutorial and my first tutorial I did with faux locks. So as you can see clearly, like I just said, I'm going to braid it all the way down until I get to the end of my hair. Now that I have reached the end, I'm going to leave the rest loose. Now I sectioned off another piece of this hair because I'm going to leave a little portion of it loose as well, not only at the end but towards the top as well. So I'm going to start off by wrapping this Marley hair that matches this color. And if you want to, of course, you can use one color. You don't have to use 4 different colors like I did. So I'm starting off, I hope y'all can see, I'm starting off by wrapping the same way I did in the first video. I'll link that video as well so you can click that and watch it. I'm just going to wrap it a few times at the base. That's why I left my hair loose, so I wouldn't put any unneeded tension on my hair. And after I have wrapped it a few times, I'm going to make my way down the braid, making sure that I cover the braid. So I'm continuing to wrap as I go. Now, at a certain point, I'm going to add this piece that I separated to the braid, to the wrap that I'm doing. It's right here, right? You see this piece? I'm going to add this with the Marley hair and continue to wrap it around. In case y'all were wondering how people got that bohemian look, this is how I'm doing it for myself. Okay, so I'm continuing to wrap and wrap and wrap. Okay, so now as you see, this is the extra piece. I'm going to move that upward out of the way, and I'm going to continue to wrap past this piece. Okay, so continue to wrap. Now, yes, you see the Marley hair is running out. I'm just going to add another piece. Add another piece here. You leave this short piece hanging so that as you're wrapping the Marley hair around, it does secure the hair so you won't have any hair slipping out or anything like that. So just continue to wrap. You can make this as neat or as sloppy as you want to. It's your preference. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to continue to wrap until I get to the end. And if you run out of Marley hair again, just add another piece. That's all there is to it. Which I think I can either choose to add another piece or just let this be the end. And because it's kind of long still, I think I'm going to add another piece. There we go. Add that. And I do have it kind of in half, instead of one being extremely longer than the other one like I did previously. And that's because I want to end this soon. I want to end this lock soon, so I'm just making it pretty even so I don't have that much more to wrap. Just continue to wrap. And it's getting towards the end now. Actually, what I like to do is pick up this longer piece as well and start wrapping that piece around too. So now, as you can see, I just have this little piece, and I'm going to be cutting something off, I think, or I might not. It just depends on how long you want to go. Okay, so now that I'm at the end, I'm going to wrap right back up towards the top. I like to detangle the end a little bit so it's more tapered at the end and it's easier to complete the wrap. So I'm just wrapping this. Okay, now I'm at the very end. I'm going to take some super glue. This is actually some brush-on gel for your nails. It's pretty much the same as super glue. That people want to call stuff different names nowadays, but it's the same. It's just super glue. It's the brush-on kind because I ran out of my actual super glue as I was doing the rest of my head. So I'm just gonna brush this on where the end is. Make sure there's no hair on my brush and dip it back because I will be using this for my nails in the future. So brush that on. If y'all have super glue, then just use super glue. And then instead of just letting this dry, I like to take a glove, a rubber glove. In my previous video when I did my faux locks, I was actually burning my ends. But burning your ends makes it stick to your fabric or whatever you're using, whatever you wear, any clothes you wear. When you hug people, it's just too much. I didn't want to burn it this time. So I'm using the rubber glove and I'm going to use that to roll the glue into the hair and secure it as it dries as well. And that's it. You don't see any residue. Now there's just a little really small piece that's at the end of the Marley. It's the Marley hair right there. I'm going to use some scissors and cut that off. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut that off. And that's it. That's what the end looks like. And remember, we did have this piece up here, so this is how you get the little bohemian look faux locks if you don't want to do crochet. And that's it, y'all. So my whole head is now done. I hope that y'all understand what I just did because I didn't do it super slow, but I also feel like I didn't do it super fast either. So that's my finished look. Y'all will see some clips when I got my makeup on and I'm actually cute. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.